Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are good and enjoying your studies at home. So students, in our previous video we had just discussed about the simplification and a DMAS rule for solving the problem of simplification. But in our today's video, we are going to discuss about some new and important facts related to simplification, which will become very helpful for us in solving the problems of simplification. Okay, so let us start our today's topic. So students, here we are going to discuss about some brackets which are very useful in simplification involving two or more operations, because they tell us which part of the sum is to be solved first. So here we use mainly four kinds of brackets which are to be simplified in the same order. Mainly हम four kinds के bracket use करते हैं जो कि उसी order में solve भी किए जाते हैं. Always remember one thing. Firstly we solve the operation within the bracket. ओके सबसे पहले हम ब्रैकेट्स के ऑपरेशन को ही सॉल्व करते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर ऑर्डर. सो आवर फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट इज लाइन ब्रैकेट व्हिच इज आल्सो कॉल्ड वेनिकुलम. दिस इज अ लाइन ब्रैकेट और वेनिकुलम व्हिच इज ड्रॉन अबव द नंबर्स ग्रुप्ड अंडर इट. ये लाइन ब्रैकेट या वेनिकुलम भी कहा जाता है जो कि नंबर्स के ऊपर लगा होता है. ओके जैसे एग्जांपल 6 डिवाइडेड बाय 3 माइनस 2 एंड हियर इज अ वेनिकुलम और line bracket above it. Okay students, here we have our second bracket which is called round brackets or parentheses. Here we have an example 12 minus 4 which is inside the round bracket. Means in the problem of simplification, first of all we have to solve the operation inside the round bracket. Okay, now come to the next bracket which is third, which is called braces or curly brackets. Okay, for example here is curly bracket 2 minus round bracket 5 minus 4 round bracket close and then curly bracket close. Okay, so in a simplification problem, first of all we have to solve the operation inside the round bracket, and after finding the difference of 5 and 4 we have to subtract the difference by 2 which is inside the curly bracket. Okay, now come to the next bracket which is big bracket or square bracket. Example, here we have 6 divided big bracket start 3 minus curly bracket start 2 minus round bracket start 5 minus 4 round bracket close curly bracket close and then big bracket close. Okay, so students, in order to solving the brackets in the problem of simplification, first of all we have to solve the operations inside the round bracket, and after solving the operation inside the round bracket we will solve the operation inside the curly brackets, and after solving the curly bracket we will solve the operation inside the large bracket or big bracket. Okay, let us solve an example to understand the brackets more effectively. So students, we earlier discussed in solving the problem of simplification, firstly we solve the operation within the brackets. Okay, so in order to solving the bracket, first of all we will solve the vehiculum bracket or line bracket. After the vehiculum bracket we will solve the round bracket. After solving the operations inside the round bracket we will solve the operations inside the curly bracket, and after the curly bracket we will solve the operations inside the big bracket. Okay, so let us solve the example. So students, here we have a problem of simplification and we have to simplify big bracket start 15 plus curly bracket start 4 divided by 1 plus 3 which is under the line bracket, curly bracket close multiplied by 6 and then big bracket closed. We have earlier discussed in order to solve a problem of simplification, firstly we will solve the operation below the line bracket or vehicle. So here we have 1 plus 3 operation which is below the line bracket. So firstly we will solve 1 plus 3. So 1 plus 3 is 4. Okay, now we will write rest of the problem as same as above. It means 15 plus curly bracket 4 divided by 4, then curly bracket close multiplied by 6 and big bracket close. Always remember, after solving a bracket we will remove the sign of the bracket. Okay, now come to the next step. After solving the problem, after solving the operation below the line bracket, we will solve the round bracket. But here we have no round bracket. So come to the next, we have to solve curly bracket. So here is a problem 4 divided by 4, which is inside the curly bracket. So we will solve the 4 divided by 4 is 1. Now remove the brackets and rest of the problem we will write as same as above. 15 plus 1 multiplied by 6 and then big bracket close. Now solve the next step. So here we have 1 into 6 according to the Demas rule, which we have earlier discussed. Firstly we will multiply the problem. Okay, so 1 into 6 is 6. Then we will write the rest of the problem as same as above. So 15 plus 6 is our next step. Now come to the next. 15 plus 6 is 21. So here we have the answer. Okay, students, our next term in the simplification is off. Suppose here we write 2 boxes of 20 balls each. So 2 boxes of 20 balls each can be easily written as 2 of 20, which is 2 multiplied by 20 is equal to 40. So here 2 of 20 is simply a way of describing the number 40. So in order to solve the off in the problem of simplification, we will simply multiply the two numbers containing off. Okay. So students, when 2 or more than 2 operations are present, we use a basic rule to simplify, which is BODMAS, BODMAS, in which B is for brackets, O is for off, D is for division, M is for multiplication, A is for addition, and S is for subtraction. Always remember, we will firstly solve all the operations within the brackets. After solving the brackets, we will multiply the two numbers containing off. Okay. After solving the off, we will solve the division. After the division, we will solve multiplication. After multiplication, we will solve addition. After addition, we will solve subtraction. Okay. It means brackets do first and subtraction do last. Okay, students. Let us solve some questions from the exercise to understand the concept of BODMAS rule more effectively. And here we have a question from the exercise 2. Simplify using BODMAS rule. And we have to simplify 64 divided by 16 multiply round bracket start 3 plus 2 round bracket close. So according to the rule, firstly we will solve the operation inside the bracket. Okay, and here we have a round bracket and 3 plus 2 is the operation inside the round bracket. So according to the rule, firstly we will solve 3 plus 2. Okay, so 3 plus 2 is 5. So we will write 5 just to do the operation. Now we will write the rest of the problem as same as above. So 64 divided by 16 multiplied by 5. Okay, always remember, remove the bracket sign after solving the operation. Now come to the next step. So after solving the brackets, we have to solve off, but there is no off in the problem. So come to the next, which is division. So we will divide 64 by 16. So 16 4s are 64. Okay, now we will write rest of the problem as same as above. So we will write 4 into 5. Now after the division, we will do multiplication. So 4 5s are 20. Now here we have the answer 20. Students, here we have another question from the exercise, and we have to simplify 3 plus big bracket start, curly bracket start, then round bracket 4 divided by 4, round bracket close plus 1, curly bracket close multiply by 8, then big bracket close. So don't be panic after seeing this type of problems. Always remember, we have to solve all the problem of simplification according to the BODMAS rule. So let us start the solution. So according to the rule, firstly we will solve the brackets. Here we have all 3 brackets. So what we can do? We will solve first the operation inside the round bracket. So 4 divided by 4 is 1. So we will write 1 just to do the operation. Now we will write the rest of the problem as same as above. Okay. So 3 plus big bracket curly bracket 1 plus 1 curly bracket close, multiply by 8 and then big bracket close. After solving the operation inside the round bracket, we will solve the operation inside the curly bracket. Okay, so 1 plus 1 is 2, so we will write 2 just below the curly bracket. Okay, and we will write rest of the problem as same as above. Okay, now here we have 3 plus big bracket 2 multiplied by 8 and then big bracket close. Now after solving the curly bracket, we will solve the operation inside the big bracket. Okay, so 2 into 8 is 16. 2 into 8 are 16. Now we will write the rest of the problem as same as above. So here we have 3 plus 16. So 3 plus 16 is 19. Now 19 is the answer of the problem. I hope all of you understand the concept, examples and sums of the exercise very carefully, and the remaining question will be given by me in your assignment. Okay, thank you.